MCR, maximum current relay. MCR used to protect the main transformer of three-phase locomotive from overcurrents. When the primary current exceeds 330 ampere, relay will act and trips the VCB. The dial setting of MCR is 4.5 and the current setting of MCR is 3.3 ampere. Kept the relay in MCR test bench as shown. In normal condition, LED glows through the NC interlock of MCR. Gradually increase the current by auto transformer and observe the current reading in ammeter. When the current exceeds 3.3 ampere, the relay will act, target drops and LED goes off.